or when we moved it, and yeah, I thought it was a good day.
Seemed like a couple drops from receivers early, but then they settled in after getting after it on the sidelines a little bit.
Yeah, we started off a little slow, but still on that first drive we scored, so it wasn't too slow. We came out, we were pretty much firing all cylinders.
Reeves, every time he gets the ball in his hands, he's making some type of mistake.
Yeah, he's stepped up big time. We need him to step up. We need more depth out there, and he's proven to be a valuable option out there. He's got the speed, he's got the talent. It's just a matter of keep on getting it done the way he's doing it. He's gonna be just fine.
Your first touchdown pass, it just looked like it was floating through the air, and he just runs right underneath it, and it's there. Is it nice to have the ability to be able to rifle it when you have to, but also put it in there nice and soft to where your receiver can get to it?
Yeah, that's a big thing I focused on all summer, and even back towards the spring. So the fact that that's all coming together, I'm really happy. It's going to hopefully keep my game to where it's at and keep on getting better.
Yeah.